What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world, where it's nothing but love, peace, joy, and positivity over here, boo. Welcome, guys. Today, y'all, I got my Bijou really early this month, and I'm very excited to see what's in it. If you guys want to see what's in March's Bijou beauty box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you rocking with Bijou or nah, boo. Okay, guys, welcome. I'm so happy that you pressed the button to watch your girl today. We have Bijou. We also have some red wine. I have that big old bottle of Mogan David, so we are definitely sipping on that today and probably in the next few videos because boy, I got a huge bottle. So y'all need a dance break and a drink break. Y'all, I got my Bijou box early this month. I know the video is probably coming out a little later in the month, but I'm trying to record a lot of videos because I'm on vacation probably once this video goes out, just so I can make sure I have some content while I am away. And yes, today on the platter we have Bijou. So guys, if y'all want to see what's going on with Bijou, we're about to get into it shortly. I hope for any first-time viewers or viewers that's watching me and haven't subscribed, that you would consider subscribing to your girl, being a part of my family, because it's all love over here, guys. Now we're going to get into the specs of the box, unbox it, and we're going to be done. Cool? Yeah. For you guys that do not know, Bijou Beauty Box is a $30 per month beauty subscription. If you do month to month, you do pay $5.95 each month for shipping. But if you do a 3-month, 6-month, or a year, I think you only pay $5.95 for shipping, and all of the other boxes will ship for free. If you use the code TonyaNicole, you will get 20% off of your 3-month, 6-month, and 1-year subscription, guys. And yeah, you get 5 beauty products a month. And we're going to get right on into this box because I'm excited and I hope there's candy in it. Let's open this baby up. Oh, now one thing I do love is that they do personalize your box. And it says, "Hi, LaTonya, spring is almost here. Enjoy, Bijou." And I love that. We do get a card each month. That's what the front looks like. And on the back is a list of all of the products that we received, as well as the prices, and the total of the box is on here, which I will put in the end of the video. Now, this is a mystery box, so everyone will not get the same products. So make sure you let me know in the comments down below what you got in your box. And let's see what we got. Girl, first thing I'm seeing, okay, Bijou, I'm happy now, is some little Valentine's sweet tarts. What are these? Oh, Smarties. I'm sorry, y'all. I do like these, and I will be eating those. First up, we have 2 little lipsticks right here, and these are from Makeupchannel, and one is in the shade Hope, this one right here, and the other one is in the shade Faith, this one right here. So we did get these 2 liquid lipsticks right here from Makeupchannel, and they are perfect spring colors. And yes, guys, so I'm not gonna open them up because I'm not sure if I will use these colors. This one probably so, but I don't know about this one, so I won't open either one. So the retail price on these are $21 a piece. Now y'all know how I feel about Makeupchannel and their prices. $21 for one. Y'all know TonyaNicole is gonna be truthful, and I'm not even gonna lie to you. I wouldn't pay $21 for one. However, hey, we get them in a subscription box, so I'm cool with it, boo, but $21 for each. Next up, guys, we have from Lurella, which y'all know I got that fire bomb ass mirror from Lurella last month that I am in love with. I cannot stop using that thing. But this time we have, what is this? It's in the shade Evergreen. What is this? Oh, it's a liquid eyeshadow, and it's all sealed up. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves, and let's open it. And I have the shade Evergreen. Perfect. I love liquid shadows. Y'all know I was at one point against liquid shadows, but I've been using them and I kind of like them. Why is my earring sticking out of my hair, y'all? Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like right here, guys. And I need to swatch this. I do. Let's see. It's an evergreen. Ooh, shoo. It's a metallic green, guys. It looks very pretty swatched out on my skin. In the bottle, however, it does look like peas or diarrhea or something, but the color swatches out beautifully on my hand, and I definitely cannot wait to use this because it is creamy, did go on very smooth. So, oh, okay. This is very different. You know, I like these kind of products because you don't see this in subscription boxes too often. So let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Lurella liquid eyeshadow in the shade Evergreen, and it retails for $12. Up next, guys, we have from Lurella again. This must be a Lurella month. This is an ultra gloss in As If. Okay. This is what the outside packaging is looking like. This must be a lip month for Bijou because we got 2 of those Manicador lipsticks and now we're getting a gloss. So is this like a lippy box? I might be digging it. Ooh, this is very pretty. It reminds me of the Fenty lip balm. Y'all know the one I'm talking about, the one she just released. Let's open it up. That kind of smells like, I don't know, glue? This is a lipstick, right? It's a gloss. Okay. It's a gloss. So that's what the gloss looks like on my hand right there. We're going to add a little bit to my lips just to see. It's not sticky. It's very nice. I'm going to wipe my little thing off because I don't want it to make the inside of my lip gloss colored, which it probably will. So, okay, I like this. And let's see what this retails for. It's very, And this, guys, is the Lurella Ultra Gloss in the shade As If, and it retails for $10. Next up, guys, we have this, which let's see what it is. Ooh, okay, we have some brushes, and this is a 2, 4, 6, 7-piece brush set, and this is from Lurella as well. Okay, these feel very soft. Y'all know I love to get brushes. It's like a little mermaid brush right here, guys, and this is what it looks like. It's nice and soft, very pretty and fluffy. I probably will give this little set here to my niece, but I do love the fact that we did get 7 brushes. These are gorgeous, and these, guys, retail for $18, okay? And last but not least, we have a palette. This comes from Spoil. Oh, I just broke my nail, y'all. Oh, I broke it. I need them done anyway. And this is from Spoiled Cosmetics, and it says, "Love sucks." Okay. What kind of palette is this? Oh, maybe it's like a black palette or something. Oh, girl, it comes with a mirror. Hey, boo. And this is the palette right here. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. They are breathtaking. I love this palette. The colors are nice and springy. It's got a lot of matte shadows and like 4 shimmers. This is the 16 shade palette right here. We're gonna swatch a couple of them. They are very pretty. Swatch them on the back of my hand. This is how some of those colors swatched out, guys, are right there. And yes, I will be having to do a look with this soon. Let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Spoiled Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $25. All right, guys, so that was our final product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. But y'all know I gotta take me a dance break and a drink break before we start. So we received from Spoiled Cosmetics this eyeshadow palette here. From Lurella, this 7-piece brush set here. From Lurella, again, this lip balm gloss. From Lurella, this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow in Evergreen. And from Manicador, these 2 lipsticks here. So that is 3, 4, 5, 6 products for this month, guys. Oh, and we got 2 candies. So the total for this month was $107, and let's do final thoughts. Final thoughts on this box is I actually liked the theme of the box this month. We're getting, you know, I guess post-Valentine's Day things like when your heart is broken after Valentine's Day, to get the Love Sucks palette, I think is so cute. I think the liquid eyeshadow is beautiful. The lip gloss is beautiful. The brush set is a cute touch. So I really think that it was a pretty cool box this month. I do think that Bijou is a box that is targeted for a younger audience. This, because most of their boxes are very fun and they have a lot of like tools and like palettes like this. So I think that they want to target a younger audience, which is completely fine because, boo, I think I'm forever young. So y'all already know what it is. But I do like this month's box. I thought it was a pretty cool box. So guys, the only thing that bothers me, however, is that Manicador is charging $21 each for these lipsticks. That's like, I don't know. But for the most part, I really did enjoy this month's box. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn trees. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo. We're going to give Bijou for the month of March a whopping 3 to 3.5 for this month. That's what I mean, yeah, because it's a makeup heavy box, which I do like a lot. So y'all know I love makeup, y'all know I love eyeshadow palettes, and now I like this lip gloss. Even though I don't like to wear lip gloss, I'm getting more into the glosses to make my lips pop, boo. Good job, Bijou. If you guys want to subscribe to Bijou, I will put the link down below. Don't forget, if you use TonyaNicole, you will get 20% off of your 3-month, 6-month, and 1-year subscriptions. If you have not done so already, y'all need to go ahead and subscribe to your girl and make sure you have your drink ready to party with us. Oh, a dance break and a drink break. I did film this look, guys. It should be out soon, hopefully before this video comes out. However, that's all that I have, boo. Yeah, I'm tired. So until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed, stay positive, and make sure y'all wash your hands for this coronavirus, girl. Okay? Bye, y'all.